We finish every food here. I don't have strength to be climbing. No. I don't have strength to be climbing every pantry. Why can't I move, brother? Because you give back to this thing. Eh? Ah! Why? Why will Jesus Christ? Education. What? You are back. So you are back here. You do not even ask about your brother. Eh? You don't even know me come up here for a bazaar. What is it? You don't even to know the work I've been doing at the backyard. See that our goat. You give birth to 4. And you're here doing your face like this. What is it now?
I don't know, say the house now. I never tell her I come back. First of all, it's not 40. It's quadruplets.
Whatever, which one, whatever it is. See, don't come here, don't bring this here, teacher, this come tell me here. I don't need it. You should be happy. Eh? I'm going to go to. I
bet leave me. And so you just go give me wrong answer. See me now, see the matter where you teach me for school. See as I get a 0.
Let me see.
Don't make me spoil all the mark.
Let me see, wait. That your teacher must be an educationist. You see that your teacher that give you this must be an educationist. All with it, an educationist is an ET. That your teacher must ask you the matter who everybody know. Go ask everybody who be matter. And then go tell you say matter na correct player. They gonna tell you say na 0. Eh? In fact, you must come out from that school. Oh, wait. Oh yeah. Why is it that every of your assignment you only get 5 over, 7 over? Eh? What did they worry you now? The time where I go school, you know the kind not where they get. Eh? And my teacher gonna tell me as this not big rich. Now the bigness of the boss when my mama go buy for me. The time where I go school, me and they give me big note. My teacher go write a couple dot for center. Why? Not over. No, they get big note. Make they buy big bonds for you. What did they worry you? Now you gonna get 5 over. Guy, 5 over. Tell me say na big. You don't hear the talk.
You're not giving my book. I forgot listening to you. I forgot even listening to you. So you dey pray make they get 0 for school. Make they get not.
Get big note. Make you and your teacher you don't know school.
See me.
Now maybe education. What did they worry you? Eh? Who be that teacher? See, come back here. You must go back to that school and you must be admitted. I'm telling you, I will go to that school. You must be admitted in that school. Rubbish. Because yeah, they're teaching me what I know even from my mother's womb. Imagine. Who don't know what thing at the top, say the truth at the top. Education they lie. You must be admitted.